let's start with chapter number 8, an introduction to QB64, right? So let's start with the chapter now. You have probably used computer to play games or write reports for ski. And it is lot of fun. We can create own games to play computer. And this book will help you to start by using QBasic. And QBasic is a programming language. Using a programming language tells the computer what you want it to do. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, right? So we all know that computer understand only machine language, and they are mainly of two types of programming language, high level and low level. So high level language, they are widely used to develop application program like BASIC, C, Java and etc. Let's study about the basic language and its uses. So BASIC, it is a simple and easily understandable programming language. ये beginners के लिए होती है and stands for Beginner All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It was developed by Professor John G. Cami and Thomas E. Coates in Dartmouth College in May 1964. Some of the basic uses are easy to learn for beginner, add powerful addition features, designed for interactive use rather than batch work, lends itself to learning by hands on practical use. Despite its simplicity, QBasic it is used for wide variety of business application. Right? इसको हम अलग अलग business application के लिए भी use करते हैं. Now introduction to QB64. So QBasic was developed by Microsoft to type, edit, run programming. It has English-like words and mathematical symbols for writing programs and various institutions, which is called statement. It is syntax a set of rules that must be followed while writing program in a language. So features क्या हैं? Very easy and simple to understand. Automatically check. Capitalizes the word, keeps the same variable name, and it allows you to break lengthy programs into modules. What are the different elements? A defined set of symbol which is used in programming language. It is character set, right? The QBasic character sets consist of alphabet A to Z, number 0 to 9, and some special characters, at the rate, minus, different percentage. These are some special symbols. Consonant, they are fixed value which is used for program. Then we have numeric constant. Consonants, it is numeric value which is used in program and may include decimal point like 102.50. String, इसमें आपका sequence of character हम use करते हैं. ठीक है, quotation mark, right? We use quotation mark. Now variable, it is a location in a memory which has been assigned a name and it is used to store data temporarily. ये क्या करता है, वैल्यू को होल्ड करता है until another value is assigned to it. QBasic consists of various elements. They are character set, consonants, variables, statements, and operators and expression. Basically, there are two types of variable. First is numerical variable and string variable. So it can hold only numeric value and it is represented by alphabet following by another alphabet or digit alphabet. String variable, it is followed by $sign. It contains letter, digits, underscore, but the last character is always dot. Now, what are operators? ये symbols होते हैं जो आपके types of operations को बताते हैं. Right? Like we have mathematical operators, जिसमें आपका addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo divisor. इसको हम percentage भी बोलते हैं and exponential value. जैसे आपकी 2 की power 2. Relational operations क्या होते हैं? Like we have equal to, less than, greater equals to, or lesser equals to, or not equal to. These are some rational operators. Then we have logical, means logical AND, return to both, right? Logical OR returns true if at least one expression is true. Logical NOT, it is used only one rational expression is used. Next is expression. Expression क्या होता है? Combination of three elements of QBasic, which are operators, consonant and variable. They are evaluated to get results. और इसका जो expression होता है उसको हम A plus B smaller than C. Hierarchy operation क्या होता है? इसमें हम brackets, operations, division, some board mass कहते हैं. Board mass, bracket, exponents, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, what are basic statements? So, rem, rem, it is used to give remarks in the program. They are not executed and can be used many times. Print, when you want to show the message or value on the screen, right? We have syntax double quotes. Here the example is given. You will print welcome to the world of digital technology. It will display the message. Print A, it will display the value stored. Print, it will leave a blank line. So AND it is used to specify. When you want to specify and AND the program, syntax AND will be used. Now you want to write and save a program. To write a program, follow the given step. To open QB64 window, double click on the QB64 item. Type the program given in the image. You will type the program. Now saving. To save program, go to File menu. Choose Save as option. आप Save as option को choose करेंगे. Right? You will give the name or you want your program by writing it in this place. Right? You will be saved with extension .base. Run program. After writing the program, we need to view the output by running the program. The two ways is pressing the F5 key, choosing the start option. Now you want to exit. अब हम QB64 window को exit करना चाहते हैं, हटाना चाहते हैं. So go to File menu and choose Exit to exit QB64 window. If you want to open a program that has already been created, you will press Alt plus F. Choose the Open command from the menu and press Enter. Select the program from the display list and you will press Enter over there. आप क्या press करोगे? Enter press करो. Right? Now this is all about chapter. Let's move to the exercise now. Now to execute or run QBasic program, click on dash menu under Run option, Run program. The key which is used for compiling and running QB6 file is F6. A QB64 is saved with the extension .bas. Dash developed QB64. किसने develop किया था? John G. Canny. We can open the file using shortcut key Alt plus F. Next is fill in the blanks. The value of a dash, जो value होती है variable की, it does not change during course of execution of program. Bed mass stands for, that is bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now numeric consonants contains only, यहाँ पे खाली क्या होते हैं? Numbers होते हैं. We have only number. Dash is represented by an alphabet followed by $sign, variable. To view the output of a program, we need to print it. हमें क्या करना होता है? उसे print करना होता है. We need to print it. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Basic stands for beginner all-purpose symbolic instruction code. It's true. Next is there are 3 types of variable in QBasic. It's true. B stands for basic addition in no. Bracket. It's false. B stands for no. It's the name of variable must start with a number. False. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Right? Next is answer the following. What do you know about QB64? क्या होता है? मैंने आपको बताया अभी. Features लिखने आपको basic के, QBasic के. What are variables? Variables क्या होते हैं? What is the difference between numeric and alphanumeric consonant? What do you understand by hierarchy of operations? You have to explain with example. What are the steps to be followed? अगर आपको QB645 को save करना है, तो what will be the different steps? Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.